This is Bill's drones on. 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 Yeah, I think we're gonna go. It's the Teslin River. Our old wagon and everything, and what we're doing is dropping off Uncle Michael, the Yukon Ranger. But he's not going on a tour of duty or anything. He's going moose hunting. All by himself down the Teslin River for 5 days. That's a bit of a feat in itself. Never mind looking for a moose in your spare time, whilst you're trying not to drown or freeze. Well, this is the Teslin River Bridge, not to be confused, as I often say, with the Teslin River Bridge, which is in Teslin. We're 60 kilometers or so northish of Teslin. Mad Max the trailer. I see Michael's branded it. The canoe, 1,500 pounds, apparently is what it'll pack. He's got almost that much in chips and sauce and other things. He's roughing it, and actually he is. I mean, think about it, 5 days on Teslin River. There's a big gun and a bigger gun, of course. Feels like it could snow. Wouldn't doubt if one of the days he wakes up and his tent's covered in snow on this trip. He's going by himself. He says, upon reflecting when he returned, he won't be doing that again. Probably wasn't the best choice. Damn, he's got a lot of stuff. Well, that's his $800 Coast Guard suit, so he don't freeze to death if he ends up in the water.
In case the boat goes over.
Yes.
We got a moose right down there. I'm going to come back right away. No.
Okay, well, let me know. Seriously. I don't know why he's reading a map, because the river only goes down. I guess there are some junctions further down, but it's pretty much you're going with the current there, buddy. No, he knows what he's doing. He's a ranger. You cannot doubt a ranger.
Ready?
Yep, I'm already filming.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't pick up any sound.
Boats are coming in already. I'll shake your hand, but yeah, we'll see ya.
Good luck, Mikey.
Thank you, Will.
Thank you. You ready?
Find that boat out.
It looks really good.
And away he goes. Now he's got this little motor on the back of this big old freighter that he just loves to death, and it's always talking about how great it is, and I'm thinking, well, I'm going to get to see how this little motor works. He says he don't paddle much. Starts that little economical motor and just zooms along down the stream. Oh, excuse the bird here, right? That thing sounds like a really ornery mosquito. Oh, here he is. He's going to fire it up. We're going to see it in action. It's a big piece of water right there. It's going into the Teslin Lake, basically. You know, I'm thinking away he goes. And I'm nervous because I got the drone way out over the water. I don't think he's going anywhere. The dang thing ain't running. I'm expecting him to start paddling any minute. But I guess that's why he's a ranger. Because he knows it's going to go. And go it does. Winter's not far away. Good luck be with you, Uncle Michael. Okay, let's be honest, he got skunked. He didn't even see a moose. But he did have 5 wonderful days going down the Yukon River, and that's an adventure in itself. Maybe next year will be the moose year. Maybe next year.